first step is to open your Instagram and search for the page named ITChat spacebar 0 FICIALGAGAN, and you can also visit that profile with the link which I have mentioned in description, and follow my profile, cover my posts, and also share with your friends. And thereafter move toward main part. Search for app visuals on your search bar and make sure the page have more than 300 followers and have near about 200 motion graphic videos posted on it. Let's just select your favorite one clip on it and make sure the clip will have a black color background like that. And I am going to create a background video on it. Let's download this. Copy the link. Open your pen and browser and search for any Insta video downloader website. Paste the link of that video and click on download. After downloading the video, open your Premiere Pro, create your new project. And I'm going to use this one clip. Secondly, import the second one clip which we have downloaded. Drag and drop for the background video. Drag and drop on the upper layer of background video. For making this video appropriate for inserting on Instagram, we have to apply this one filter also on it, and make sure this filter apply on background video and decrease the brightness which will help you to make it visible on your background video, and also increase a little bit of contrast.